Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to design this flyer, this Telecom flyer here. So first off, you'd like to change your background to white like I've did here. Then we'll come down to type this name, reduce it so you'll be seeing what you're designing. We'll type the name of the business name, we'll go to a text and we'll edit it. Anyone you want to put, you type your name. Change it all to capital letter. Then you come to this place now, relative positioning. You put it in the center. Then we go and look for font. The font we'll use, I always like to use this Westler. Then we'll change the color. Depends on the color you want. So for this one, I'll be using this color. I'll be using this blue color. Then I will make this shape for you now. You see how I always achieve my shapes. So first off, we'll go to shapes. I'll bring out this shape now. So for me to be able to see what I'm doing, I'll first off change this color first to something like this so that I'll know when I get what I'm looking for. So this is my shape. We'll do to reduce, we'll increase the radius. We'll increase the radius and to have this shape to 30. Then here I'll make another shape. This color again. Then I'll reduce it. I'm trying to get this shape now. So position it. Now position it to try to get it to be equal. You see it now. Then I copy it. I bring it down here as well. Let me align, make sure it's aligned. Now you see it, we're having another shape here. So this is how I always get any of the shapes I want to use. So you see now, I've gotten this shape now. Now to get this long one at the back, we'll get another shape. So this is it. I'll place it here. Then I'll go to place it at the back. Also change the color. Enable color. I'm using this color. So you see now I have my shape. Now this is my shape now. You can use any shape you want, but this is how I always achieve this shape. This shape I use for telecom services. Then I come here. I'm going to merge it together. I'm going to merge all the shapes together. This shape, I merge it. It's now one. Then I go to color. I enable the color and I change it back to white. So it's now white. Then I go to stroke. This stroke, I enable stroke. I increase my stroke to 5. Then I add my stroke color. Like for MTN, I'm choosing a yellow color. For MTN, you see it now, I have this yellow color. So this is now my shape. This is how I always get my shapes. You reduce it. This is my shape. You see it. This is how I get my shapes. Then I copy it. To be able to get each shape, I copy it. I go to stroke. I change the color. This is for glow. I then go back again, I copy it, I change, go to color, I change it to red, sorry, and get back to white. We'll go to stroke, change it to red. This is deep red. We change it to red. Then we'll copy it again because we're going to get 4 network. So we'll copy it again. We'll go to stroke. We'll change it to green. You see now I have 4 networks for glow, for MTN Glow, Airtel and 9 Mobile. Then I have to put the prices. I have to put the prices inside. So to put my price, I will hide all these ones. Now you see the 3 of them here. Now this is what I'm doing. If you get to this lock, you will see this eye here. When you hide the eye, it will hide everything. You lock and you remove it. You lock and you remove it. You lock and you block it. You see we have only one, so that it will be clear for me to work with it. Then I start imputing the prices. Then I go to alphabet, the text, I put new edit, delete 500 MB, 500 MB for 200 naira. Then I bring it down here. Now I'm looking for my font that I will use so that it can be bold. I always use this, or sometimes I use this one. For this we are going to use chalk 5. So put it here. I'm going to reduce the size. I reduce the size. Reduce the size and then place it properly. Good. Then I'll copy it again. I'll copy it and edit it. 1 gig. So you can now put your price just like this. You place it. So you do each and every one of them like that. You place your price. For this I'll just be copying so that it don't take much of your data. Just be copying. You place your price. You place it, because I can't be doing editing and putting it back together. It will take much space. Then I copy again. I place it. I copy it again. I place it. I place it up. I copy it again. I place it. So this is how you place it. Now, for it to be together, like I always say here, you reduce it. You see it now? You reduce it, you bring it down. You reduce it. Then you come here. We're going to merge all of them together. You come here, you see you locked all this one. We use this one, this place now, like I told you, to merge it. You come here, you click the first one, that is the MTN own. You click it, then you merge it together. You merge it. Now they are together. I can now increase, reduce, increase, and do anything with them together. So you see, one is sorted out now. I'll keep it by the side. Then I'll come back to those ones I've locked. I unlock. This one is for glow, but no, let me work with this first. Glow. So like we did in the first one, we'll place our price. Text, edit, 1 gig, ₦500. Now we're going to use that chalk 5 again for our font. Font, chalk 5, okay. So this is our font, this is it. You place it very well. Then you copy and place each price. You copy and place each price. I don't have enough battery, so I'll just be doing fast. You copy and place. You copy again, you place it. You copy and place. You give it space so that it won't be too jam-packed. You copy again, you place it. You copy, you place. You know your prices, you add it. Now we have it. Then I'm going to reduce it again. Then I merge it. Like I opened it here, you merge it. You merge them. So it's together now. When you merge it, you make sure you align it so that it will be in the same shape with everything you're doing. So now it's together. Then we have gotten to it. Then we'll unlock the other one, that is our Airtel. We'll bring it to the front. Now here is it. Let's start putting our prices. Text, new, edit. I'll be putting random prices. 500 MB for 300 naira. You know your price, you put it there. We use that chalk 5 again. That's the font I use. You can use any font of your choice. Chalk 5. So now we place them. Make sure you place it so that it will be okay for you. Anyhow you want it. I reduce the size so that it will be good for us. You place it here. You copy, you place, you change it. Even you copy it, you change the next price. You paste, you copy, you change the new price, you add it. You copy again, you change it. You copy, you change it. I'm just using the same price because of space. It don't take much of your MB to download. So you copy, you paste, you copy, you paste. So now I'm done with this. I'll go back to my shape so that it will be in the same line with what I'm doing. Now I merge it again. This is so that everything won't be jam-packed. It will be nice and easy for you to work with. Now it's merged. So reduce it. Now you see we're getting to it. Now we're going to work on the fourth one. We unlock. We bring it to the front. Now front. We put our text, our prices. We edit, delete, 500 MB, 300. We come here, we reduce, we go to our font, chalk 5. Good. We reduce the size. We move it to the center. Good. Then you copy, like always. You paste. You copy. You paste. You copy. copy, you paste, you copy, you paste, you copy, you paste again, you copy and you paste. Then we reduce our size. I'm doing it fast so that it's taking much time, so that you have enough data to download it. So we can merge it together again, merge them, and merge it. Now it's together. No, now this one that we'll be using, bring it to the front. Reduce it. Now you see, now I'm getting my shapes. We reduce it so that it will, the whole of the four of them will be in one space together. You can use this to move. It's much easier for you to move with it. Move this one. Move this one. Now it's time to place the networks we'll be using. I come here and get my text. Okay, for MTN, I'll go to MTN, I'll reduce it to MTN, take second. I'll get MTN logo. So this is my MTN logo. I place it on top of this one. This is my MTN logo. Good. Then I bought another one, glow. I take it to glow. Take it to glow. Then I reduce it. Glow. I go to Airtel. Reduce it to Airtel. You can get any Airtel that has shape. So for me to get this Airtel shape, let me show you how I always do it, because some people complain they don't see it, they can't see it, So I'll come here, reduce it to radius, then I reduce it, I place it in the back of my Airtel, then I merge the two shapes together.